Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you a new launch. If you love a high shine gloss with long lasting benefits, you are gonna be obsessed. These are the new Juicy Balms. They launched today on Dominique.com. I'm gonna tell you all about it. So sit down, grab a snack. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get into it. Your lips are about to look and feel better than ever. More plump, juicy, smooth, all the things. I created these 5 high shine flavored juicy balms. I'm calling them juicy because your lips are gonna be glowing and shining from very far away. And they smell so freaking good. Ugh, it's addicting. You're gonna wanna eat it, but don't. I wanted something that actually had benefits that are gonna last in the lip throughout the day. And with the Juicy Balms, they have peptides to help smooth and firm the lip over time, shea butter to create that long-lasting moisture barrier on the lip, and hyaluronic acid for a plump, juicier lip that locks in the hydration that actually lasts throughout the day. Because I can put on makeup all day, but if it doesn't give me a benefit, I don't want it. I don't wanna create anything that doesn't actually help you in the long run. So these are perfection. The formula is amazing. The colors are gorgeous, but they're clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, in case you're wondering. Paraben-free, petroleum, and gluten-free. Other than the gorgeous colors, scent, and formula, this applicator is what I freaking love. I love everything about this lip balm, but something that I really love is the cushiony, squishy gel applicator. It's so comfortable to apply. I can just glide this on my lip all day long. But something that's super important for you guys to know is how to turn this thing on. Okay, so what is so important is how to actually use it. So there's an off button, and what you're gonna do is twist it to the on. That's gonna let the product come out so that you can apply it. But make sure to twist it off when you're done so it doesn't leak. Okay, let's get into swatching these shades. The first shade is Sparkling Watermelon. It's the only sparkle lip balm in this lineup. It's a baby sheer pink with pink and silver sparkles. It's giving birthday. It smells like fresh watermelon. So yummy. The next shade is Peachy Cream. This is a sheer peach that actually smells like a creamy peach, like peaches and cream. So good. This next shade is Strawberry Slushy. Oh my God, the scent is like, oh, it's so addicting. Let me just tell you right now. It's a sheer red with a vanilla strawberry scent. I'm just telling you, you're gonna wanna eat this. I'm not even kidding. Next is honestly my favorite color. I shouldn't have a favorite, but I do. It's Pink Fruit Sorbet. It smells like dragon fruit. And it looks, I mean, look at the shade, look at the color. How would you describe this? It's just so good. It's a little sexy. I don't know what it is about it. It's like a flush of color. I don't know. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this one. It is so beautiful. Then I have Iced Cafecito, which is iced coffee in Spanish. It basically smells like a sweet latte. I had to have this one in my lineup because I'm obsessed with coffee, okay? I know this is mainly all fruit and then I just pop this coffee one in there, but this one's for me. This one's because I am a little bit coffee obsessed. And she is a light caramel brown and it smells just like my perfect shade of iced coffee. And I think you guys are gonna love this too if you're coffee lovers. I also have a charm and I'm so excited about this charm. It's our first little accessory. And it just makes me so happy that I can walk around. I can clip it on my bag. I've been wearing it on my pants. It's so cute. It's a little sleeve that just slides onto the top and it won't come off, it won't budge. And you can clip it on your bag. I have this huge bag that I've been wearing. It's my backpack because I've been traveling a lot lately. And I'll have like my favorites or the one that I'm using that day on the bag, and it's so cute. I have it on my pants here. I wear it all the time. It is just the cutest accessory. I am obsessed with it. The price of the lip balms are $20. The charm is $8, but I'm gonna have a bundle for you guys with pricing, so look in the description for the final pricing because I'm actually filming this a little bit ahead of time from the actual launch, but you're watching this on the launch day. I would say get multiple of these because if you are getting multiple lip balms, you can have different shades of your lip balm attached to your bag. I just think it looks so cute, personally, for me, but obviously you can just get one of them. But I hope you guys like this. I am so excited about our first accessory. should we do more accessories? Like, I don't know, I had so much fun creating this one. And also these lip balms, I think you guys are gonna be so obsessed with these lip balms. This is our first product that has been colorful in a really long time. And it's something that is not seasonal, it's actually a staple. I just had so much fun with these. I hope you guys love them. Let me know which shades you're getting, or if you're getting all of them, please comment below. I am so curious which one you guys think is the cutest, because I've been working on them and only I've really seen them. So to see what you guys think, I'm really anxious to see that. So please comment and let me know which ones you like the best. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. Before I leave you, I always leave you with a motivational message. And I also always have a motivational message on all my products from Dominique, and this one is speak beautiful things, because what you speak is who you are, and I know you are so beautiful. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed these juicy bombs. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe right there. My face is in a circle. And if you want me to do more YouTube videos, because I do miss doing my makeup tutorials on here, let me know, because I've really been itching for a makeup tutorial. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.